Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Tinder, the dating app. Now this video is going to be pretty short because I'm just going to show you the essentials. First of all, let's enter the application. You can see your profile here. It will be very important a little bit later, but first I want to show you the basics of the matchmaking. It is basically the swiping. You can see here this little fire symbol in the left. Now you can either swipe to the left side or to the right side, depending how you like or dislike somebody, but it even shows you in the screen if it says nope or yes. That means that you can either not like them or like them. Or in case you really like the person, you can swipe upwards and you can give them a super like. Now super likes are limited, but you can buy more with money if you would really like to. In my opinion, it's not really necessary to have super likes. Next thing you have is basically categories that you can enter, like if you are looking for like love or a free night or a coffee date, or maybe just wanting to be friends with somebody. You can have these categories if you prefer either one of them. Here it will appear your matches. In this profile there are no matches, but whenever you have a match, it will appear here as a blurred picture, so you cannot really see who is that you have matched with. But if you upgrade to Tinder Gold, you can see the person and like them back. Now, even without Tinder Gold, sometimes you can guess who is that person that have the blurred picture. Usually the app really puts forward that person who liked you. Not all the time, it really takes a little bit of luck, but there is a chance that you can see them freely and figure out who that is. These are the messages. Here it will appear every message that you have with any person that liked you and you like them back. And now we go with the profile section. Here you can change your profile photo if you really want to. Now these are just random pictures here, but you should add your own face here and your own pictures. Here you can select anything that you want to personalize your profile. Going back, here you can see you can get super likes, you can have a boost that will put you forward for 30 minutes, or just give you more likes. With money you can achieve a lot of things in this app if you really want to use it, but then again it's not necessary. Here you can have the safety center. Very shortly put, it gives you some insight what you should do or what you shouldn't do. Basically it's safety tips for real life, whenever you should ghost somebody, or what you should or shouldn't do to have a good experience and to be safe. Now some of them is pretty obvious. If you really think that somebody is shady, you shouldn't just go out alone with them. You should really just tell somebody, for example, a friend of yours, that you are going out in a date, approximately where you are and stuff like that. And finally, I'm going to go into the settings, and there are multiple settings here that you can activate or deactivate. For example, the global setting, you can activate it or not. You will see more people if you activate the global setting. You can have the preferred language, the maximum distance, which gender you prefer, woman, man, or both of them, the age range that you want to have them in. It can be pretty huge. Other than that, maybe the other version of Tinder could be important here, like the Tinder U. Now this is basically another version of it, where you can join other students or college students, depending what your college's or school's name is. So this can be really useful a lot of times for students. For adults not so much. and the rest of the settings are not very important. And here right at the bottom we have the delete account option. Now if you press that, you can either pause your account or delete it. So it's up to you. If you want to take a pause from Tinder, you should do it. If you already have found someone, if you really want to, you can delete it. Now, essentially, this is what Tinder is about. It's not a very complicated app. You can figure out a lot of things even by yourself. But I thought that a little informational video could be insightful. Thank you for listening. Hope this helped a lot and see you next time. Bye bye.